us with your presence, and Vice Mayor Tria Atienza, thank you so much. And our DT Cam Head, Crystal Bhagat Singh. I'd also like to thank all of my, I see Ivan from DOT, thank you also. I'd like to thank everybody who made their way. I know it's a business start to the Christmas season, and Christmas starts early in the Philippines. We normally start in September, but so we rushed, and we're I think one of the hotels, the last hotels who are going to do the tree lighting. So thank you for taking your time to come here. I'd also like to thank my department heads, my executive committee, our kitchen team, our engineering team, the housekeeping team, and everybody who put the effort for tonight and every day to make the hotel what it is. Thank you again. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Again, GM Janine Taylor, thank you for welcoming everybody and for bringing the essence of the Christmas season. And now, we are very honored to have with us, as you may have heard GM Janine mention, somebody who has been a long champion of community and the Filipino spirit. A round of applause for an inspirational Christmas message, the Mayor of the City of Manila, Mayor Isko Moreno.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hapon o tanghali, sabi nga ni Ms. Taylor at 10 ng ating mga kasamahan dito sa Admiral Hotel, ang ating Vice Mayor, ang ating puro magaganda yung mga nasa kaliwat na sa kanan ko. Swerte talaga pag napapalibutan ka ng magaganda. Kasi maganda yung syudad ng Maynila. Crystal Bhagat Singh, Vice Chi, at ang ating host maganda rin, ating General Manager maganda rin. Lahat maganda talaga sa Maynila. Magandang sunset. Look at that behind you, the famous sunset of Manila Bay. At napakagandang Admiral Hotel. Despite of all the challenges that we are facing economically and uncertainty in some other things happening in the national government, but we must continue to strive better and survive. And hopefully, in the case of City of Manila, if I may share to those, to our guests, tama-tama, mabilis lang itong English ko, mauubos na to. The City of Manila is enjoying growth for the past 4 months with regard to new businesses being registered officially in the city, on top of what we call underground economy growing in the likes of the Kampa, the new Ugbo 2.0, o mas kilala ng millennials na Fusion Alley, the same thing in Tondo, the same thing in Roseros, the same thing in Esplanade. There are so many things happening in the city of Manila nowadays, and I think we're going to be very busy and continue to invest in the Calao, Ross Boulevard, Taft Avenue to Vito Cruz, or what we call Ermita Malate area. More to come in the city, and we would like to welcome you on behalf of the people of Manila. Sa lahat ng aming guests, I would like to welcome you to the city of Manila. Sabi nga ng kanta, welcome po kayo sa Manila. Now, I'm here to support the businesses in the city, and I'm very excited. I think ito na yung pinakamahal na Christmas tree ilawan ko itong taon na to. Apakaganda it's very seldom nowadays that kapis is being used. As you all know, I started doing kapis in my first term, putting up what you call kumukuti-kutita concept in the night time of the city of Manila. And I'm happy to see one again, especially this beautiful hotel. So to the Admiral Hotel family, rest assured that you have a city government behind you all the way. Muli, sa lahat ng aming bisita, sa mga banyaga, Merry Christmas. Mga kababayan namin, maligayang Pasko, at may awa ang Diyos, there will be a better New Year for each and every one of us in 2026. Magandang gabi, pagpalainawa kayo ng kong ngayon.
that heart.
Hello, good evening. I'm Elena Bantigue. I am representing Potion Project. This is one of our rescues, Woody. He's actually a tripod. He was run over by a truck in Malabon back in 2022. And so we rescued him. I fostered him after a month long at the vet. And obviously it's a foster fail. So I eventually adopted him already. He's a little bit jumpy. Right now, he's still looking around, checking his environment. Potion Project, we are a duly licensed animal welfare organization. Potion Project Foundation, we started back in 2018.
And Hotel Manager Quanton Renard, here please in front. Mayor Escar, right here in front, please. Can we call our Hotel Manager Quanton Renard to please join us here in front? And now that we have our special guests here in front, I will count to 5. I will on the count of 5, sorry. When we reach 1, please press the button. Sorry, let's wait for this. We're having some technical difficulties. Backwards from 5. So if everyone can join the celebration, we'll be counting backwards from 5. So let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Christmas has officially arrived in Admiral Hotel Manila. What a beautiful sight. Let's give everybody another round of applause. Our guests, our partners, and everybody for making this possible.
Kindat-kindat, pupura-pura, pinaglaruan ng iyong mga